Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 50 by 5 power x equal 1 by 5 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So here we can write this 50 by 5 power x equal 1 by 5. So now if I'll do cross multiplication, so it becomes 5 power x equal 50 times 5. Now I am taking log on both sides. So as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a, and log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So both left hand side and right hand side becomes, so it becomes x log 5 equal log 50 plus log 5. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 5, so this will cancel out. So x equal log 50 plus log 5 by log 5. Now this 50 I can write it as log 5 times 10 plus log 5 by log 5. Now again I'm using the same identity. So x is equals to log 5 plus log 10 plus log 5 by log 5. So x is equals to log 5 by log 5 plus log 10 by log 5 plus log 5 by log 5. So this will cancel out and this will cancel out, gives 1, 1. So x is equals to 1 plus 1 plus log 10 as log 5 times 2 by log 5. So x is equals to 2 plus, this becomes log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. X is equals to 2 plus log 5 by log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. So x is equals to 2 plus, this will cancel out, gives 1 plus, and this becomes log 2 with base 5 as per log rule. Log a by log b is equals to log a with base b. So x is equals to 3 plus log 2 with base 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.